Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Super stoked to have all of you here checking out this video. We're going to be looking at the IQShield Clear Protection for your device liquid screen protector. You actually get two in here for the LG G7 ThinQ. I'll be leaving the link down below in the description. You hit that link, going to go right over to Amazon. And for $7.85, you're going to get the LG G7 ThinQ screen protector IQShield liquid skin full coverage screen protector for the LG G7. HD clear anti-bubble film. You got some visual pics here, so you're going to be able to see what you're going to get as far as what's in this box. We're going to go through that anyway. 4 layers of protection. So anyway, just check out all of that information. Again, $7.85. And if you scroll down below, you got more information. And you know what I'm always saying, man. Read everything before you purchase. Okay? Everything. Know what you're bringing in. Know how you're spending your money. So, right now, I have a makeshift screen protector on my LG G7 ThinQ. I had to take a random screen protector that I had in a box and cut it to make it fit on my G7. That way I could take it out and start reviewing it. And now we're going to get the real thing. So let's do this. The first thing that you're going to want to do is turn off your display. It's going to make it so much easier during the installation. That way you can see all the dust particles, any lint, anything that's on your device, on your display while it's off. Okay? So with that being said, let's take off the case. Let's turn off the LG G7. While that's powering down, we'll get into the box. You have the instructions. You'll have a website you can visit. There's videos that you can watch that IQShield as a company puts out on YouTube, so you can check out some installations that might make you feel a little more comfortable before actually doing this. Or you can watch my video. So we'll put that to the side. You actually get two. I'm going to be using one today. Okay, it's right there. We want the solution. Okay. So we got a squeegee. You got the screen protector. And you have a microcloth. And you got your solution. Okay, so you want a nice clean surface. I got a nice clean surface. Okay. Got the squeegee. It says IQShield. Your microcloth. That says IQShield. Okay. And we have the G7. Really, really, really good. Okay. In fact, do that again. I want to make sure I get this really, really good. Okay. And we want to squirt our fingertips. That way we don't leave any fingerprints or anything on the liquid screen protector. And think that's it right there. So we're going to squirt that. Okay. Put some on the device. And we're going to peel this off. Okay. And we're going to spray it on the side as well. That's going to go into the phone. The LG G7 ThinQ. Now it's going to move around because of the solution. It's going to act as a lubricant. Okay. And I want to get that as straight as possible. Firmly, but not too hard, but firmly hold down on the edges of your screw protector so it doesn't move as you squeegee the liquid. Okay. And it should still move around a tad bit. I'm going to make sure I get that on there just right. Try to get all the bubbles out. And as you get all the liquid out, it'll start to stick a little bit better. Got that up and around the notch area. We want it as even as possible so it'll work with your cases. And that's pretty darn straight. Okay. Now there may be some bubbles, and this is why it's best to do this before bedtime, so you can let your device sit overnight and let all the bubbles come out by themselves. Wow, I got that on there really nice. And I love IQShield liquid screw protectors. They look so smooth. They don't even look like they're on there. Once that dries completely, any bubbles whatsoever, tiny little bubbles, any liquid that's there, it'll slowly evaporate, the bubbles will go away, and this device will look flawless with the IQShield liquid screen protector on here. It'll look like nothing is on the display. It'll look flawless. IQShield liquid screen protector should look great in the morning. I'll put my case on. Until then, I will turn the device back on. And we'll see what it looks like in the morning. And I'll give you an update. But I'll tell you, man, I love these screen protectors.